Hello Algebra 1 students, we are in Unit 4, Inequalities, Tier 1, Lesson 3, Solving Inequalities with One Step, Addition and Subtraction. Let's check off our book. Here we are in Lesson 3, Solving Inequalities with One Step. So let's let A, B, and C be real numbers. That way we can kind of try to logically understand what happens. So what this is saying with addition and subtraction is that if A is greater than B, then logically A plus C is greater than B plus C. Okay, so what that means is let's let our A equal 4, our B equal 2, and our C equal 1. I'm going to shrink that. Then if we have 4 is greater than 2, then logically we can understand that 4 plus 1 is greater than 2 plus 1, which we know is 5, is greater than 3, which we know is true. So we definitely should be able to understand that idea there. Let me shrink that. In addition, we should know that if A is greater than B, then A minus C is greater than B minus C. And let's look at that again. So if we know that 4 is greater than 2, logically we know that 4 minus 1 is greater than 2 minus 1, which would obviously be 3 is greater than 1, which we know is true. I'm going to shrink that for you. How that looks on the number line is if we have A at 4 and we have B at 2, we see that A is bigger than B. If we add C, so we plus 1 here and plus 1 here, B goes to 3 and A goes to 5, so A is still greater than B. And visualizing the subtraction, if we're at 4 with A and 2 with B and we subtract 1, we go from 2 to 1 and from 4 to 3, so we know that A is still greater than B. Alright, so let me show you a couple examples. So here we want to solve for y. I again like to draw my balancing point. I notice that it's y minus 13, so I know that I have to add 13 to both sides, just like in equations. Here I get y's left because those cancel. Here I get positive 2 because negative 11 plus 13 is positive 2. So that's my solution there. Over here again, I want to draw my balancing point. I have a plus 7 is greater than negative 2. So to get the a by itself, I want to subtract 7 from both sides. These cancel. I get a equals negative 2 minus 7 is negative 9. Good luck on your practice sets.